In this video, I'm going to show you how to add to watch list in TradingView Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom left of your app and tap on the watch list. Now, up top over here, you can see your watch lists. I have two of them. First one is called tutorial. The second one is called watch list, okay? And you can see I have a bunch of different things on here. And of course, if you have multiple, you can view them by going to the left-hand side where you can see the three lines in the top left. In here, you can see, of course, all your lists. Then you want to select the list where you want to add your, of course, symbols. I'm going to tap on this one. And if you scroll to the very bottom of your list over here, you can see it's going to say add symbol. You can tap on that and add symbols from over here. So I'm going to go to stocks, for example, and I'm going to add a few stocks in here by tapping the plus button at the very right of my stock. So I'm just going to keep tapping. There we go. These things are going to get added to my list. If I go back, as you can see, there we go. There they are. Now, the other way is also to go to the top right when you are inside a watch list and tap on the plus button at the very top right of your screen. And as you can see, there we go. I now have the ability to add them as well. Okay, so if I click on here or tap, there we go. If I go back, as you can see, those are going to get added on here as well. So that's how to add to a watch list. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.